In today's video, you guys are going to watch me start a Shopify store literally from scratch, and I'm going to make it profitable in 7 days. Hello everybody, and welcome back to the Financial Wolf channel. Today, as already mentioned, I'm going to be starting a Shopify store basically from scratch, and I'm going to be attempting to build it to a profitable level in 1 week. I know that is a big goal, especially for a beginner like me who has never had a Shopify store, but we are going to be attempting to do it in today's video. And guys, on a side note, I also wanted to mention that I know I have been making a lot of random business videos as of lately, and I've kind of noticed that a lot of you guys aren't really enjoying these videos as much. So I've decided to kind of structure my channel to make you guys aware of what I'm going to be uploading before I actually upload something. So every single Monday, I am going to be making a video on my vending machine business and trying to grow that business. And then every single Friday, I'm going to be making a random business video of me trying a side hustle, and I'm going to be documenting it to you guys. So for the Friday video this week, I'm going to be trying Shopify for a week, and I'm going to be attempting to make it profitable. Okay guys, so we're gonna start things off in my computer and from the beginning of the Shopify journey. And unfortunately, I have gone a little bit far into this journey already. I have already been doing a little bit of Shopify for the past 3 days. I've built out my site a little bit and I've done a lot of things in advance already. So unfortunately, I am not doing things live on today's video because honestly, I had no idea I was gonna make a video on Shopify on my channel. I kind of just do little side hustles in my free time, and I really should just start making videos on random stuff I do because I love business so much that whenever I have free time, I just start businesses. I don't know why I do it, but I just really enjoy learning about new things, and I guess that's what it's about when you like business a lot and you have a passion for it. So with that all being said, we're gonna get started with step 1 of starting a Shopify store. So step number 1 is you need to pick your niche and your brand name. For me, I picked entrepreneur themed clothing because I thought it would go really well with the channel. I thought, hey, maybe I could promote it a little bit on my channel because it kind of relates to my whole niche of business and stuff like that. So I named my business Entrepreneurs in Merch, and you can actually check it out at entrepreneursinmerch.com. I own that domain now, so that is my Shopify store if you guys want to check that out. So after I picked the niche and brand name for my Shopify store, I went ahead and picked a couple of products to start out with. I didn't want to pick too many because I wanted to get started with the business fast. I wanted to get into it and start making that cash as soon as possible. So I didn't bother making too many products. I just made like 3 different designs since I was doing t-shirts. So we're gonna hop on Printful right now and I'm gonna show you some different things that I made. So I made a few different products. I was doing shirts in all different niches because those were the people I was planning to do promotions with on Instagram, because the ultimate goal was to promote these Shopify products with influencers on Instagram. So I made them in 3 different niches for the t-shirts. I did YouTube, vending, and then I also did stock market investing because I would actually do promotions with these 3 different themed Instagram accounts. I would have done investing shirt promotions with the investing accounts. I would have done vending machine promotions with the vending accounts, and YouTube promotions with the accounts that teach you to grow on YouTube. If you guys were curious in taking a look at the 3 different designs I made, just go ahead and check it out at www.entrepreneursinmerch.com. I'm not going to waste time in the video showing you guys every single different piece of clothing I made because obviously it wouldn't apply to you because most likely you'd be starting a Shopify store in a completely different niche with completely different designs. After I branded my product, picked a niche for it, and I even created some of my own products on Printful to sell on my Shopify store, I am ready to go ahead and create my Shopify account. I ended up buying the paid $29 a month version of Shopify. I know you guys can do like a 14-day free trial, but I didn't bother with that because it restricted me so much. And I mean, $29 is not even that big of an expense. After I created my Shopify account and got the whole thing running, I went ahead and got a custom domain. And I really thought this was awesome because now when I literally go to the browser, all I need to do is go entrepreneursinmerch.com and my website pops up. I think that's the most awesome thing in the world because it pops up right there. I don't have any like .shopify.com. I can just go straight .com. So I feel like I have a real website and it just makes me feel awesome. I did forget to mention that the custom domain did cost me an extra $14, but I think it's totally worth it because it does help a little bit with SEO and it makes the website look a lot more professional. So the custom domain puts my startup investment to about $43, which isn't actually that bad, but of course I am not factoring in any ad spend quite yet. So after you create your Shopify account and you get that custom domain linked up, it's time to actually build your Shopify store and you make it look awesome. And I actually went ahead and did this and it was so much fun for me because I got to be creative, make all these different things on Shopify, and it was so much fun. So when I went on Shopify and created my cool little website, I was so happy because it's just the most fun thing ever when you get to kind of create your own thing and just sell your own products. I just had so much fun doing this. It's hard to kind of convey it to you guys, but when you're looking over here, you know, it says the finest business themed merchandise, entrepreneurs and merch, and you can go ahead and click shop. And then here are all of my different products, only $17.95 per shirt, and they're really awesome shirts, so I think that's totally worth it in my opinion. And then you can go over to my best sellers, which is my investing themed merch, and the reason I did that is because that is going to be the first promotion I do with an Instagram account, so obviously I want to make this the most prominent, even though I haven't like done any sales yet. I just know that this is going to be a bestseller after I do that partnership with an Instagram account I'm talking to right now that is in the investing niche. So that's a little bit about my website. Of course, you guys can explore it a little bit more if you actually go to it yourself, but that's the website I created. I hope you guys think it's pretty cool. After you're done creating your Shopify store and you've done all of the other back-end work, you're pretty much set to go. And all you have to do is reach out to Instagram influencers in your niche, and hopefully the promotions go well and you make a lot of money and you just let it roll in. Obviously, there's a lot more to it than that, and I have to learn a lot yet. So basically what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be reaching out to active Instagram accounts in my niche, to people I know, and I'm first going to be pitching an affiliate offer where I don't have to pay them up front. But if push comes to shove and I'm forced to pay them cash up front, then I might do that. But if not, I might try an affiliate offer and do it that way with ambassadors. So hopefully things go well with this whole Instagram influencer thing. I'm not going to be doing Facebook ads because those require skill, and I don't really have skill because I'm like a 16-year-old kid who just does random businesses and hopes they works out. So yeah, hopefully things go well, and you guys will find out in the second episode of Shopify in 1 week coming next Friday. So stay tuned for that, guys. Peace out.